Ganesha is not just a god. Ganesha is a principle. His name means the Lord of categories, the organizer of systems, the intelligence that brings order to chaos. He is always invoked at the beginning of things, not out of ritual, but because nothing can begin without structure. Before any creation, there must be alignment. Before movement, there must be clarity. Look at his form. The elephant head represents vast intelligence, memory, and awareness beyond human limitation. The human body represents the individual perspective, the localized self. Together, they form a single message. The infinite and the finite are not separate. You are not disconnected from the universe. You are a focused expression of it. On a deeper level, this reflects a fundamental principle of reality. Every part contains the whole, like a hologram, like quantum fields, like consciousness itself. Ganesha represents that intersection point where individual awareness meets universal intelligence. He is known as the remover of obstacles. But that is only half the truth. He also places obstacles. Obstacles are not random. They are signals. They are feedback. When something blocks your path, it is not punishment. It is correction. It is the system telling you that something is out of alignment. Ganesha is that intelligence which both blocks and clears, depending on your state. Every element of his symbolism encodes this understanding. The broken tusk represents the sacrifice of ego for higher knowledge. The mouse at his feet represents the restless, impulsive mind, small but powerful, capable of destruction if uncontrolled. Yet under Ganesha, it is guided. The rope symbolizes attachment, but also the power to pull yourself out of illusion. The sweet he holds represents the reward of inner balance, the result of mastering your own system. At the highest level, Ganesha is not separate from reality itself. He represents the same underlying field that ancient traditions called Brahman, the infinite source, the foundation of all existence. The same vibration, the same origin, the same intelligence behind everything. You will find parallels everywhere. In Hermetic teachings, as above, so below. In quantum physics, non-locality and entanglement. In systems theory, feedback loops and self-regulation. Different languages, same truth. Ganesha is not mythology. Ganesha is a map of how consciousness organizes itself, how reality corrects itself, and how awareness evolves through structure. The moment you understand this, everything changes. You stop fighting obstacles. You start reading them. You stop seeing yourself as separate. You recognize the pattern. You are not just moving through reality. You are the system, becoming aware of itself